Hey guys, my name's Camille and I'm with BathWraps. We're here in Dallas, Texas to do a one-day bath wrap transformation for Miss Bruce. So let's go in and get her a new bathroom.
Well, I was having trouble getting into the tub. I had 3 knees replaced and back surgery, so it's kind of difficult. Sometimes it take me 15-20 minutes to get in the tub because I can't bend my knees and getting out. I was always afraid I'd slip on the wet tile. Or this tile that's on there now is the dirt gets in the grout area and you can't get it clean. So the reason I chose BathWraps was because of the simplicity of the shower. I wanted the tub gone and a shower in there.
Okay, Celestine, they're about to get started on your shower.
Okay.
So we're going to get out of the way and let them get started.
I'm anxious for that.
So my only rule is you can't see it until they're done because I want you to be surprised.
Okay.
All right, let's get out of the way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very pretty. Thank you. The shower is gorgeous and I'm very pleased with it.
All right. Do you like your new shower?
I love my shower.
Good. I'm glad you like it. You deserve it.
Thank you.
I'm glad you like your new shower.
I love it. Thank you.
And you can use it and enjoy it. Okay?
It's going to be real pretty.
Good.